Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Let me shock you with a truth. The problem is not your effort. The problem is not your skill. The problem is not even your income. The problem is timing. The same move, made at the wrong time, destroys people financially. Today, I introduce a brand new framework. Fire the wealth timing synchronization law. This law explains why wealth grows when actions are synchronized, not rushed. Medium white star section 1. What is wealth timing? Wealth timing means aligning skill readiness, market demand, capital size, personal capacity, economic cycles, money rewards, synchronized moves, not emotional moves. Medium white star section 2. WHY. Most people lose money because they crossmark invest before learning crossmark scale, before stabilizing crossmark borrow, before earning crossmark expand, before controlling wrong timing turns good ideas into losses. Medium white star section 3. The 4 wealth timing windows clock #window 1, learning window. Focus on skills, low risk, low capital, high patience. Skipping this window creates failure later. Clock #window 2, earning window. Monetize skills, build cash flow, test markets. This is where confidence is built. Clock #window 3, scaling window. Expand systems, hire help, invest profits. Scaling too early breaks people. Clock #window 4, multiplication window. Asset ownership, long-term investing authority. Leverage. This is where wealth compounds. Medium white star section 4. How to synchronize your moves. Keycap 1. Identify your current window. Keycap 2. Execute only window appropriate actions. Keycap 3. Resist pressure to skip stages. Keycap 4. Increase complexity gradually. Keycap 5. Let money mature before multiplying. Synchronization creates safety and speed. Medium white star section 5. Signs. You're in SYNC. White have a checkmark. Decisions feel calm. White have a checkmark. Money stress reduces. White have a checkmark. Progress becomes predictable. White have a checkmark. Fewer financial mistakes. White have a checkmark. Confidence increases. Bullseye. Conclusion. Wealth doesn't punish laziness alone. Fire it punishes bad timing. Move at the right time. And money accelerates naturally.